Yeah. Whatever we speak, we must remain confident and then speak. That's right. Good. Next question. Anybody else? Himanshu Kumar. Himanshu Kumar, what is the doubt you have?
Sir, actually, I'm appearing for the second time in the Federal Bank interview. So, do I have to mention this in my interview?
If you have mentioned it in the application, mention it. Otherwise,
No,
do not.
sir. I haven't mentioned
Then
in my application.
don't worry.
Because
Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Just go as a raw man, smile at them, and then answer
okay,
nicely. That's all. Why do you
okay, sir.
unnecessarily why do you unnecessarily expose yourself? Like there used to be a
Yes, sir.
joke, what is your mother tongue?
Sir, Hindi.
Hindi.
I'm from New Delhi.
Yeah, yeah. There is a joke, For example, a person has borrowed money from the people, lot of monies from so many people, and he used to hide himself. So whenever those
Mhm.
people come, the small children in the house, they will go and they will say, Daddy is not there, Daddy is not there. But this man, once what he did, he was hiding himself a place where in those days rice used to be kept. Rice used to be kept in a very big ones. So he hid himself inside that. So the
I got it,
children
sir.
will not go and tell the lenders, Daddy is not inside that pot. Ah, that it is like exposing yourself. So why do you expose yourself about the previous Federal Bank experience and all? What questions were asked last time and which you could not answer properly?
Well, actually, previously I was not prepared. They asked simple questions like introduction, about strength, weakness, something about the industry as well. Because I have mentioned that I have a keen knowledge about the industry in my CV because previously it was a campus placement and about Ukraine Russia war. Actually, the thing is, I uh, I, I guess I answered a wrong question, a wrong answer. So it was a chain of questions aligned with that. I watched some of your videos. You have said that whatsoever they asked, just answer that part only. And I used to answer them many things repeatedly, and so they keep going on, and keep wrong answers of chain formed. So because of that, I get nervous as well. I start fumbling. So yeah, previous last experience was not that good.
Yeah. No, but one thing I can perceive is that because you have been with me for more than 20, 30 days, the only problem is your fear in talking in English.
Yes, sir.
And that is the basic fear. Now itself, you are having this much struggle. I'm sure
Hmm.
what an amount of struggle you must have had last year when you appeared for the interview.
Yes, sir.
When was that interview last year? Means recently
Sir,
or one?
it was recently. It was in the month of April. One of my friend got selected, and he had taken guidance from you. Uh,
Yeah.
should I tell his name?
What is his name?
Aman Kumar.
Aman Kumar. Of which
Aman
college?
Kumar. Jagannath International Management School
In
in IP University, in the Press University.
Indraprastha University. Yeah, yeah. I may not
Sarita,
remember.
he's
Yeah,
from New Delhi,
I'm
Sarita Vyar. He
Aman
studies in
Lal.
MCT department.
Aman Lal, this name appears to be very famous. Maybe I
Aman,
would,
Aman Kumar.
Aman Kumar, maybe I would have talked for many times. But
Okay.
yeah, I don't remember all the names unless he is a very bad boy or he is an excellent
Okay.
boy.
Actually, you have uploaded his video as well as a good one.
Acha, acha. If I have
Yes, sir.
posted it as a good one, it must be he
Yes,
must
sir.
be an excellent person. I don't give good for everybody. Only 2 out of 100 or 3 out of 100 will get that rating because I want people to improve their standard. That is the idea. Good. Now, next question, Mala Mokshda. Mala Mokshda, what's the doubt?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have a doubt regarding my professional qualification which I pursued. That apart from BCom and MCom, I got enrolled myself in CA Inter and USA based certified management accountant as well, which I qualified both in previous year, mid 2022. So I'm wondering what could be the questions they would be expecting around this
Ha-
resume I'm having at present.
Have you mentioned all these things in the application?
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, yes.
Useless. You are unnecessarily digging your own grave. Understood
That,
what am I telling? That
yes,
is,
sir. Totally get it.
you are make, then there will be so many questions on that.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm approaching you. That you may be having an idea that the possible questions might be
See,
asking in that scenario.
what are the extra things you have given? USCA, what is that?
CMA and CA Inter, semi-qualified CA. CA Inter, Chartered Accountancy Inter.
Then they will ask you, why have you not pursued for CA final?
Okay, sir.
When did you complete your CA inter? How long did you take to complete CA inter? What are the exams you studied in CA inter? Which subject are you more comfortable? So likewise questions related to that one. Then CMA, why did you, what is the cost for studying CMA in America? You wrote the exam in India only.
Yes, sir. I took the online coaching and the exam centers are available in India and I went to Hyderabad to give my exams.
How much did it cost for you for that CMA?
To apply for the CMA, cost me around 1 lakh, and for the
Appa.
coaching, it was 80,000.
So totally it must be 2 to 3 lakhs roughly.
2 lakhs roughly. It
Oh,
didn't
oh.
cost 3 lakhs.
With what idea did you study this CMA? What?
Actually, I was pursuing after CA Inter. I was thinking that after completing my BCom, this particular attempt will be my final for the CA Inter. So I was thinking that if I would be going for the CA articleship, the MCom, if I go with the open distance pursue, then I would be in comfortable mode where I would be doing my articleship and I will be doing my master simultaneously. But it didn't happen. I didn't get to complete the CA Inter at that time. So I thought that as I have approached for this MCom in distance mode, I thought let's use this time in a productive way. As CMA Inter can be cleared in India itself, and it only takes 1 year if done correctly. And I utilized my time with dedication. I completed that. So after
C-
CMA, now I'm
CMA
pursuing.
CMA
Sir.
final did you write?
No, sir, it's actually the one time exam. There will be two subjects. If you clear those two subjects, then you will be getting a CMA tag. After that, you can get this 2 years experience in any relevant field. Then they will give you this tag that you are a CMA with this, like CA Malla Mokshadana, they will be giving CMA Malla Mokshada.
True. That CMA, that one final you could not write, na?
No, sir, there isn't any final. It's like one time exam only.
Okay, that is CMA inter. And after that, what is the next step after that?
Yes, sir. First step is the exam. If you get to clear the exam, then you have to do this 2 years experience criteria. If you qualify this as well, then you will be getting the CMA tag. This is the basic approach to pursue CMA.
Where are you stuck up now? You have passed the exam.
Yes, I've cleared the exam. Now, if I get the 2 years experience in any relevant field they have given the list, so then I will be getting this CMA tag in the next 7 years.
So after getting that CM, after 7 years.
Yes, sir. In within 7 years after qualifying the exam, within 7 years, I have to show them that I have gained this particular 2 years relevant experience in this particular field, be it accounting, be it administration, be it any field.
Good. And now I understood. After getting that CMA, which companies will give importance for that?
Basically, top big four companies or the US based companies which are currently working in them. And basically, they were seeing for this night shift jobs.
Okay,
Though they were taking the people from India, but it was like the shift is basically in night time as to get the employees adjusted with the US timing.
correct. But that is why you are not interested in that now. You
Yes,
don't
sir.
want to work in night shift. I understand. Because wife will work in night shift, husband will work in day shift. They will never meet each other. Correct?
Actually, my parents didn't agree that night shift it's not a basic idea. Your health will get deteriorate. So
Exactly,
we set the range.
exactly. Thank you. Malya Mokshda. Malya.
So within this CM and CA as well, any possible questions you are seeing or threat
Yeah,
that I am facing?
CMA questions can be what are the subjects you studied in CMA and in what way is it relevant for our work in India, and why did you study this spending so much money? Now, do you have an idea of going to America for doing work? And for doing that, what extra additional qualification should you have? Like that. Some such silly questions can be asked, but the employment here in America is not that very green now. It is not easy to get it because one, you must have excellent communication skill in English, and you must also be more thorough with the local terminologies and all that. Okay, very good.
Sir, I have another last question. May I proceed?
Hmm.
I have in the WhatsApp group, I have seen that many times the questions were asked like, "Who is your role model?"
Hmm.
Can we say a multiple person's name, or can I say my parents are my role model because I've learned these qualities from them?
You have to tell only one name, especially the name of the person with whom you are having frequent contact, and so that you can learn something from them. Sometimes candidates used to tell, my role model is Abdul Kalam. That is no use. You only thing you can tell is Abdul Kalam was a poor man. He worked very hard. He became a scientist. He became the president. Yeah, so all of us are. Do you want to become president of India? No. So instead, you should tell the name of somebody with whom you have close contact, namely father, mother, brother, uncle, sister, auntie, and what is the quality you would like to learn from them.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, next, Shruti.
Okay, so sir, I had two questions. One, I'll ask that, sir, I have applied like last year, like Federal Bank came for campus recruitment in my college. So I have mentioned that Federal Bank came for campus recruitment in that application, and though I didn't clear the examination, so will it
No,
be
no,
like any question?
that won't be a problem. That won't be because you are not appeared for interview.
Yes, sir. And
So
sir,
don't.
apart from that, about that role model thing, there was one more question that, like when we were having mocks with my friends, then she asked me that, who is your model apart from your parents? Like, don't take your family member's name. So, like for role model, can we have a book as our role model?
Book cannot be a role model.
Yes.
Role model is a person who has impressed you with his activities and the qualities you would like to learn from him.
Okay, sir.
It can be your father or mother, or what are the good qualities they have which you would like to learn from them.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Next, anybody else? Any questions? Any other questions, please? I don't know what is the answer for this. Anybody know the answer for this? Federal Pratyasha loan. What is that? Anybody knows? Federal Pratyasha loan. Then Federal Rupee Kisan Card. These are all okay. Then this one only I don't know. Anybody knows about Pratyasha loan? No? I have not seen that earlier. Federal Pratyasha loan. Oh, Pratyasha loan means only personal loan. No, no. Federal Pratyasha loan, I am showing you the link. Just a minute. I am showing you the link. Pratyasha loan, I think it is for, Pratyasha loan is for, you should study everything. What are the features and benefits? Federal Pratyasha loan is designed to provide credit to distressed farmers enabling them to prepay their debt to the informal sector against collateral or group security. That is, if some farmers have got huge loans, having taken loans from, say, outside lenders at a huge rate of interest, here our federal bank will come to their rescue by giving loan to them so that they can repay that. The rate of interest that will be charged by federal bank will be considerably lower, and of course they won't give it free. They will give it to you with collateral security like, say, gold or property, etc., and or group security, that is 2 or 3 people joining together to offer security. So please go through this one thoroughly. I am giving the link of this in our Telegram, WhatsApp page. Please go through that once again and learn about it. Okay, good. Any other questions you would like to ask? Any other doubt, please?
Sir, I had a doubt. Like currently, I am pursuing my MSc, sir. I have, but I didn't give it in the application form. So
No.
can I say that in my interview,
No problem. Don't tell about it.
sir? And I had another problem. Like for the reference people, I just give the teachers from my current institution. Is it affects my
No.
job, something like?
No. If they go through the names, they will find you have given the name of some teachers. They will ask you, how do you know them? Then you yourself will be caught. I am now studying MSc.
Okay, sir.
So it doesn't matter, you tell it, no problem.
Okay, sir. Sir,
See,
if I, yeah, please, sir. Sir,
like,
if I told them, how to say that?
if I told
what?
it, if it
Yeah,
will
please.
not, if it will not be if I told them, if I tell them.
Yeah, sorry, sir. If I tell them, what if they ask, why are you now applying for the banking even though you are studying your MSc?
Because there are not sufficient job opportunities in my field, and the options, the openings of federal bank has come now, and it is a prestigious job, and the job involves interacting with customers and also marketing. I like this very much, and the job satisfaction I'll be getting is much higher, and my future also will be excellent when I serve in federal bank. That is why I want to join.
Okay, sir.
See, today in one interview for Bank of India, 12th September, these questions, are you seeing on the screen?
No, sir.
No. The questions asked are, tell me about yourself. Then 3 strengths and 3 weaknesses. Then what is inflation? What is GDP? What is GDP? What is the present GDP of India? I know that, but I am not remembering it, and that's the problem. What is the GDP of India? Hello? Don't you know this question will definitely be asked?
No, sir.
3.176 trillion US dollar. As on
Okay, sir.
2021, 3.176. What is the GDP rate of India in 2023? GDP is now increasing at the rate, it is now increasing at 6.5%. If GDP was 100 rupees last year, this year it will be 106.5. Okay. What will be GDP of India in billions? Babre, they are telling some huge figure. 3,605 US dollar billion. Please study that. You go to Google, you will get columns like this. 1 minute. You go to Google and search about what is GDP of India, it will give you questions like this. Please prepare for all these questions.
Okay,
What
sir.
what is GDP of India in 2024? India expects it to be 4,062 billion US dollar. And in 3,786 was in US dollars in 2023. Every year it has been increasing, you see. 21, it was 3,150. Then it became 3,386. Then 22, 23 has been a good rise. Now here again, another rise is expected. So this is what you should study. And when you search in Google like this, you will get questions, more questions like this. The previous one. Just search India per capita income is $7,130. What is PPP dollars? Purchasing power parity dollars. So this type of questions, odd questions they will ask. When you search in Google, you will get more questions like this. Please prepare for those answers also. Okay. It's already
Okay, sir.
10, another 5 minutes more. Now, any other question, please? I was telling you about the questions that were asked. 3 Nobel Prize awarded personally in India. 3 personalities who have got awards, Nobel Prize awards in India. Kishore Kumar, can you tell me?
Sir, the first one is Mother Teresa, and sir, next is Rabindranath Tagore. And sir, C.R. Rao for this year, I think in statistics field. That's it, sir.
Acha, C.R. Rao, I have not heard about it. Anybody can confirm that? I don't know. But if you could have told Sir C.V. Raman, then Amartya Sen, like that.
Okay, sir.
Then they have asked, who is the chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited? It is Amarendu Prakash. It is Amarendu Prakash. Then they are asking qualities which a bank officer must have. And what is current CDS of India? CDS means what? I don't understand. Anybody remembers what is CDS? Current CDS. Oh, current account deficit. No, what is that? What is that?
Maybe Chief Defense Staff.
Acha, Chief of Defense Staff Anil Chauhan. Oh, Baba. Ito, I know it. But this abbreviation I could not make out. Good. Excellent. Thank you. Who is the head of all forces? As my father is in army. Otherwise, they will not ask this question. Yeah, then 1 minute.
Sir,
From science background, ask me about Sir C.V. Raman. Yeah, very good. Next, any other question?
sir, regarding the CDS in banking sector, it is mentioned that credit default swap.
No. Here they are asking who is the CDS of India? Chief of Defense Staff. Correct one.
Okay, sir.
They do ask
Yeah,
this
okay,
question.
sir. There is also
They do
Okay,
ask
sir.
this question because the boy who appeared for interview is son of an army officer or army subedar or jamedar or whatever it is. Okay. Army personnel. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. We will close this now because I have to come at 7:30 p.m. for interview. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow, 1
Thank you.
minute. Tomorrow you want class? Tomorrow is 16th, 5 o'clock is the class. 5 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sure, sir.